yield models and has created a new category. If I go, where would I be calibrating these? In the project or in the general models?
When you save a change here on the tool, it will not change your land use model in the workspace, right? Because we don't want your initial data to be affected by what happens to just one project.
I see. So actually, if these figures are generally wrong, we need to create a new workspace under farming practice and apply it when we want to.
If this data is wrong, then you go to your workspace and you adjust this maize called maize South and Central Cameroon. You adjust it from your workspace.
Right. Okay, and then just add it as a land use rather than but it disconnects the workspace that how do you put it, default setting from what you've got on your project always.
Yes. So in fact, the communication is the workspace influences what you get in the drop-down menus in your projects. But when you do a change in your project, it doesn't re-influence the land use data in the workspace. Because imagine you have different projects on your same workspace and other people working on that. Maybe they don't want their cassava productivity to be changed because you changed it in that specific project.